Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to put featured photos on Facebook. It's a simple, easy tutorial. Make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever around the video. And let's start. So the first thing you do after you open up the Facebook app, obviously, is you tap on the three dashes at the bottom right corner of Facebook. On an Android device, it's at the top, and you want to go over to settings and privacy. Actually, there's an easier way. You just go at the top and you click on see your profile, the first button right here. And when you do that, you have a bunch of options, and next to add story, the blue button, you have three dots. You click on the three dots and you click on the first option that's called edit profile. So you click on it, and when you scroll down below, you can see the featured option right here, and you can just click on try it, and you can add some photos from your camera roll or whatever. If this video helped you out, give me a like, and I really want to see you in the next one.